Hello, welcome back. Today, we're just going to model a fidget spinner real quick. The fidget spinner is made effectively with a bearing and any sort of body around it. The bearings that I have are 22 millimeters in outside diameter and 7 millimeters in thickness. You are looking at the end product. Let us now move into the design space and design it from the ground up. All right, any good 3D model starts with a 2D sketch. Create sketch, pick a plane, adjust the view. This entire model is based around a bearing. Bearing is basically a circle. I'm going to draw a circle, 22 millimeters in diameter. I'm now going to modify and create an offset. That offset should be about 4 millimeters. Hit OK. From here, I need a reference line out to one of the centers of one of the arms. 40 millimeters seems reasonable. Change this line into a construction line because it doesn't actually need to be part of the sketch itself, part of the features of the object that comes in here. I'm now going to create a polygon centered on the end of that line. 6 millimeters in radius with 5 sides. I hit tab to get over there. Hit enter. I'm now going to make this line and this face perpendicular with a perpendicular constraint to lock those into place, and then add another offset for this polygon, this time 3 millimeters. From here, I just need a couple of these to become the ends of the other arms. So create circular pattern, select this, the center point to circulate the pattern around is there. This is a pentagon, so let's make 5 arms. Hit OK. And last but not least, I need an arc to connect up the ends of these. Start point, end point, middle point. Awesome. Create circular pattern, this arc, this center point, 5 of them. Boom. Finish sketch. Let us rename this sketch to Fidget spinner body, and let us now, as the next step, extrude this out into 3 dimensions. What do we want to extrude out? Effectively everything except for these, because these are going to be holes, and we're going to come back and re-extrude this out in just a moment. Distance, well, again, this entire design is based around that bearing. That bearing is 7 millimeters in thickness, so we're pulling out 7 millimeters. There it is. It's beautiful. Let us take a moment and note that all of these edges are 90 degrees. Let's curve them a little bit. Let's add a fillet onto all of 4 of the bearing to actually turn this into a fidget spinner. I'm going to hide the body for just a moment and show the sketch. Again, extrude. We are extruding this circle here, but instead of a new body, it's going to be a cut action. Show the main body that we made earlier, and you can actually change the extent to object. Click the face here, hit OK, hide that. It's beautiful. We are done. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.